Ang tanong naman dito is about Senator Bato de la Rosa, no? Did he surrender some of his firearms? Tsaka ilan yon?
Yes, Chego. No. Sa ngayon, ang nakuha nating impormasyon ay ito ngang firearms ni Senator Bato de la Rosa ay 20 yung nakumpiska sa isa sa kanyang properties. Although hindi pa malinaw kung kanya bang sinurrender, pero siniguro naman ng Philippine National Police that they were accounted for and properly recorded bago ito tinransport sa RCSU ng 11 Office sa camp sa Sergeant Quintin M. Mercido sa Davao City at nasa kustodiya na ito para sa safekeeping at para na rin sa proper PNP rules and procedures kaugnay nga nitong pagkuha dito sa firearms ni Bato.
Just before I let you go, no, kasi since nasa kustodiya na ng PNP yung firearms si Senator Bato, was there a coordination that happened? At if ever meron, kanino nang galing? Or they just took it from one of his properties at may tao doon?
Diego, no, sa ngayon, hindi pa natin nakukumpirma yung informasyon na yan kung paano ba yung nangyari. Is it pinuntahan ba with coordination or kusa ba itong sinurrender? But babalitaan natin yan, Diego, kung ano ba yung update regarding dyan. Sa ngayon, ang alam lang natin is, ito, Diego, sorry, I would just like to clarify. The firearms were voluntarily turned over from the residence associated with Senator Ronald de la Rosa at dito yan sa Barangay Maa sa Davao City. Inauthorize yan ng kanyang legal representative and in coordination ng personnel ng RCSU 11, Diego.
Ayun, so malinaw, pumunta ang PNP sa property tapos yung tao doon was authorized to turn it over. Para malinaw lang.
Yes, Diego, tama ka.